ดิษฐ์แหล่งประสิทธิ์ประสาทวิชาลูกหลานล้วนก้าวหน้าทุกแหล่งล่าตามชื่นชม
Hello, good morning students and good morning parents. สวัสดีค่ะ Students, this week our topic is environment and you can see the background Teacher BB is beautiful environment that all the things, the waterfall, the cloud, the mountain is belong to our environment. Students, Teacher BB teach you already environment and the living thing. Now Teacher BB is going in this video non-living thing. Non-living thing is cannot walk, cannot eat, cannot breathe. So non-living thing, living thing Teacher BB teach you human, plant, animal. They can eat, they can walk, they can breathe, they need air. But non-living thing, they cannot walk, they don't need air, they don't need water, they don't eat food. Okay, so Teacher BB is going to teach you the name. What is the non-living thing? The non-living thing, they are not alive. Alive, they have no life. They cannot walk, they cannot breathe. So for example, rock and shoes and cloud and sky like this one. The teacher is going to teach you non-living thing. Non-living thing, okay? Non-living things. What is a non-living thing is a student, can you see? The toy car, the toy airplane, pencil, eraser, like we can see the many tools and pin, all these non-living thing because they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, they cannot walk, they cannot move. These all things are non-living thing. Non-living things, they can, like this one, they don't need water, they not need air and water and food. Okay, so they are non-living things. And the next one, you can see water. Water is non-living thing. W-A-T-E-R, water, non-living thing. Water, non-living thing. The next one, waterfall. Waterfall, Teacher BB going to spell. Students speak after Teacher BB. W-A-T-E-R, water. F-A-L-L, fall. Waterfall. This is non-living thing because they not need water, air and food. So this is non-living thing. Soil. S-O-I-L, soil, non-living thing. Soil, non-living thing. Non-living thing, this one. Air. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe in animal, human, plant need air. This is non-living thing. A-I-R, air, non-living thing. Okay, this is non-living thing. Next, minerals. Many stones, many kinds of the colors of the stones, and they are, we say minerals because we take out from the inside the ground. So this is, we say minerals. They are non-living thing because they not eat air, they not eat food, they not need water. So this is non-living thing. Light is the sunlight, the moonlight. So this is non-living thing. We can see them, we can say with the light, not light or electricity. This is from the man-made, but the light from the sun and the moon, this is non-living thing because they not need air, water and food. Okay, L-I-G-H-T, light, non-living thing. Okay, so Teacher BB is going back one more time. Student, Teacher BB will explain you non-living thing. What is the non-living thing? Non-living thing is not alive, cannot walk, cannot eat, cannot drink water, cannot breathe. So non-living thing. So what is the non-living thing? Toys, airplane toy, car toys, pencils and all the tools, all kinds. So they not need water, not need air, not eat food. So it is non-living things. The next one, water. W-A-T-E-R, water, non-living thing. Waterfall. W-A-T-E-R, F-A-L-L, fall, waterfall. So this is non-living thing. Soil. S-O-I-L, soil, non-living thing. Air. A-I-R, air, non-living thing. Minerals. Minerals like the expensive kind stone inside the ground, we have to take out it. It's a many color, so we say minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals, non-living thing. It's a different kind of stone, okay? Light, sunlight, moonlight, L-I-G-H-T, light, non-living thing. Students, teacher will teach you in our environment what is the non-living thing. They cannot move, they cannot eat, they cannot breathe, so they don't need the food, okay? So this is non-living thing. Student, teacher is going to stop this video here. Hope student repeat with teacher BB, speak after teacher BB, and they understand this all our topic environment, okay? So bye bye, have a nice day, I love you.